This is a tour of room 8092 in the Bellagio in Las Vegas. So as we go into the room, you can see it is quite spacious, probably more spacious than it looks on this video if I'm honest. Nice full body mirror, check yourself out. And as we turn to look into the bathroom, you'll see it is one of the larger ones for a standard room in Vegas. Shower itself is big, it's clean, it works, shower pressure not fantastic, but it does the trick at least. 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, his and hers. Now, one thing I do not quite understand is the toilet is not closed off in here. Some rooms do have it closed off, and I think I do prefer it that way, but, you know, as it is. All the amenities are there, everything you need. Again, it's so clean, it's very, very fresh. Heading into the main room, you can see just how spacious it is. Closet here, and on the side of the wall is one of those wall safes. Now, these are the ones I don't particularly like because they're a little bit small. I think maybe they're more designed for jewellery and that kind of thing, so they don't really do well at fitting laptops in, but it doesn't matter too much. TV on the wall, fairly big. You can see as I pan around here, it is a very, very big room, at least for a standard size. 2 queen beds and a little thing to sit on at the end of the bed, I guess. Not much in the way of decoration up here, but you do have the mini bar and you have the side mini bar, I think you should call it. But you do have a personal shelf as well. Well, whether you'll use it or not is up to you. A couple of drawers for storage. They're not exactly massive, but you do have that closet from earlier. Ice bucket, glasses, everything you need. And nice chair to sit on, and you can look out the window at the pool. Table with a lamp, and the lamp itself has got a couple of sockets that you can use for power. Like I say, the room itself is really, really clean. It's really neat, tidy. It's so well done. Why these still have phones in these rooms like this, I'm not quite sure. I think they should probably upgrade the technology a little bit. More power outlets on the side of it though. And the curtains and drapes are operated automatically with those buttons. And let's have a look at the view outside. So we are in the back section of the Bellagio, not the spa tower, but the back tri-section. And we've got a view of the pool, which looks pretty nice, to be honest. It is a nice pool as well. Could done with being a higher floor, but it doesn't really matter too much. It's still a pretty decent view of the city, or at least Cosmo. So I didn't have to pay anything for the room apart from the resort fee. It was comped on MGM Rewards. 3 nights, it was $153 in total for the resort fee. So the room is comfortable, it's clean, it's fresh, it's really nice to stay in. I would absolutely recommend anybody stay here.